So as you can see the module here, this whole module is filled with a natural organic substrate that relates to the chosen plant palette. What is unique about the ANS module is that this middle section is a separate mould to the rest of the module. So this inner section is a tight fit but not fixed to the back of the module. So if you look carefully, you can see this inner section is now moving forward. This moves forward as healthy plants grow. The plants start their lives in one of these cells and then move from cell to cell. As a healthy plant's growing, old roots die and new roots are formed. Therefore, we naturally, organically regenerate the substrate through nature. The same way as topsoil is formed on the Earth structure, the same process is taking place within the ANS module, which is why it is an architectural, natural solution. So it's based on nature, and we're not changing the way plants grow, we're only changing the location to where they're growing. The water is distributed evenly throughout the module with this membrane, which is fixed between the inner and the outer section. This membrane enables the moisture to evenly be distributed along with the slits, because even distribution of water is essential to longevity. So the module has 12 plants per module and 96 plants per square metre. It is 250 mil wide, 100 mil deep and 500 mil long. Each square metre is then connected to a remote irrigation system. The irrigation starts at the top of each row of modules. If you look at the top of the module, you can see the channel where the irrigation pipe runs. This irrigation pipe then clips into the top of each row of modules. You can see the irrigation pipe there, and it clips into the top and runs on very low pressure. We only aim to use 1 litre of water per metre square, which is evenly distributed throughout the module. The module is a recycled material made out of 100% recycled and totally recyclable. So it's a cradle to cradle system.